Here's a Treva 3.5 fan, rechargeable. That's a puck fan, and we're gonna be unboxing it. So yeah, let's go. Don't know how I'm gonna unbox this. Just gonna rip it. No. Oh, no, okay. So first things in the box, charging cable, and yeah. And this charging cable, if you want to pull up on this, which is, might be kind of hard. Might want to get like a screwdriver or something, but I'm going to do it with my bare hands. So yeah, after you get that off, just want to get that out, get the fan out. Ah! It's going to be hard to get this fan out. Oh, got it out. Okay. Just put the fan down. And boom, we got the fan. See? Oops. I think it should be ready to go. It might need a charge, but yeah. Just gonna press go. And it looks like it needs a charge, so yeah. Okay, the fan is still charging, but now it can operate, so yeah. Let's go on speed 1. Speed 2. And speed 3. And off. So yeah, that's it for today's video.